Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a change for a credit score change on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into the Atlas account. You can do that on the online banking platform, that's the Atlas website, or you can choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account using your username and password, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a credit score change alert for. Just select that from the account dashboard, and you're going to click on account alerts, and then you're going to select the credit score change alert options. Next, you're going to need to review and customize the alert settings, such as the alert threshold and the notification preferences. So go ahead and customize that, and then you want to confirm the account alert settings, and just review the alert preferences, make sure everything is accurate. And once that's done, you're going to be able to receive credit score change alerts on your credit card accounts. And you can always review the updated account information on Atlas. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a credit score change on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the